What's good, G Squad? It's your girl. I'm back again in a video, and today we are about to do my slime. Doo-doo. I made this slime yesterday. Princess Purr. Anyways, by the way, I got my hair done yesterday too. It's cute or whatever. It's like blue in the front, and in the back is black, and there's one blue in the back. It's so cute. Hopefully y'all can see it. But yeah, it's cute or whatever. Anyways, let's get to the video. So we have this balloon foam beat. So it was blue and pink, but somehow it turned blue from mixing. So I have pink and blue foam beats in it, and I have a couple of hearts. Actually, no, I don't. So yeah, let's get started. If y'all hear that stuff in the back, that's my brother playing on his phone. So, and this slime is sticky a little bit. Ew, oh my god. At Five Below, I seen, cause I went to Five Below to get the glue and actor and all that stuff. But at Five Below, I seen Karina. I mean, not Karina. I don't know what her name is, but yeah, I was gonna buy her slime. But here it is. We're gonna do the test. So, first test is the stretching test. Let's see if it stretches, and it does. It stretches very, very good. Ooh, it's stretching. Next test is the swirl test. As y'all see, the pink and blue foam beats in it, and they don't fall out, so that's good. Y'all can see the swirl. I guess it's good or bad. I don't know. Comment below if that swirl was good. Okay. Now we're gonna do the poking test. My pokes might not be good because I have nails on. So like, yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Hopefully y'all can hear that. James, could you turn that down a little bit? Huh? Can you turn it down? James, could you turn it down, please? Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right. I think it passed. Comment below. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Next is the bubble test. If it makes a bubble, oops, I don't think it's gonna make a bubble. Oh, that was a good bubble. Let's see if the bubble can stay though. The bubble does not stay. Let's try again. So the bubble, it failed. It failed. Comment below if y'all think it failed. I think it failed. So, yeah. Next is the popping. So, next, I'm gonna do an ASMR slime. So, yeah, comment below if y'all wanna see that. Get me to 20 subscribers by October. I'm gonna give y'all till my birthday, which is 3 months and 31 days. I'm gonna give y'all I'm gonna give y'all 3 months and 31 days to get me to 20. If I don't get to 20, I don't think I'm gonna be doing YouTube. No, I'm just kidding. But y'all, please tell y'all grandmas, y'all aunties, y'all uncles, y'all sisters, y'all brothers. Please tell all them people about my YouTube channel. Like, I'm gonna be posting a daily since my phone is on there. Bless me. Bless me. Comment below if y'all want to see more content like chip challenges, order what the person in front of you ordered. We gonna try to do that. I'm gonna ask my mama if we can do that, but everybody gotta agree on it. So yeah. So I'm gonna ask my brothers and sisters now. Actually, I'm gonna ask James right now. James, do you want to do the whoever ordered? Do you want to do this challenge? It's called order what the person in front of you ordered. You want to do that one? Okay. So my brother said yeah. I just gotta ask my parents and my sisters and my other brother, cause he be fat. Ooh, that was a good one. But yeah. This is basically just playing with slime video, and got my new slime, and my hair done, and my nail came off, so it just excuse that. I'll see y'all. Ooh, that was a good one. Just trying to make a bubble. Ooh, that was a big bubble. Oh no! My slime. Oh no, my camera. Sorry guys. I'm so sorry for that misunderstanding. My pinky. I got slime all over me. Anyways, y'all, if y'all want to know how to make this, all you need is lotion. You need like soft lotion. I got some good candy scent. It smells like lotion. I got some lotion scent. So I got some lotion scent if you want to smell good. Lotion to add the extra or to make it soft. Glue, obviously, not too much. What's that thing called? It's called you need water. And you need Tide. And then to make the Tide color, get the clear Tide. And then if you want to be like mine, if you wanted this color, just get pink and blue. And put more blue than pink, and then it would be blue. And the foam beads come from like a long time ago. I have found them, and I was like, I gotta find pink and blue, and I have blue, pink, and purple. So yeah. I forgot where I got them. I think I got them like from either Target, Walmart, or Dollar General. Cause Dollar General don't even sell slime no more. Like they don't sell glue no more. Like they glue be tacky glue and wood glue and that glitter glue. Like that stuff don't work. In them little bitty bottles. Not the glitter glue, but the glue in the big bottles. Like the regular glue bottles. No, not those ones, but the little container things, glitter glue. Yeah, this video is 9 minutes long. So I'm gonna do a ASMR without talking, but this one's gonna be with talking. So I'm gonna do a part 2 without talking. So let's do the test. And But anyways, make sure you guys like this video. Go get that. Oh my god, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and join the squad if you are new to my channel. And I hope you have a good day. Yeah, and comment below what other videos y'all want to see. And yeah, peace out.